CONDi is a cloud-based application for managing assets with high integrity requirements, predominantly assets that are made of metal. So we're talking bridges, oil rigs, FPSOs, production facilities. All of these types of facilities are required to monitor and manage their condition and the condition data. So CONDi stores the components and the specifications for all those components, along with any fabric maintenance, inspection data, installation information, drawings, photographs, files, all pulled together to create a rich picture of the state of the asset, both past, present and future. CONDi is for companies who own or companies who carry out inspection and maintenance for the types of facilities I mentioned earlier. Inspection and maintenance companies would find that CONDi added some real value to the service that they're providing for their clients in their delivery of the data and the integrity of the data that they're providing. In CONDi, an asset is broken down into detailed elements, including their dimensions, criticality, and environment. Maintenance and inspection records are kept against each element, which in turn updates their condition. The multi-dimensional approach to linking elements to their core reference information in CONDi allows for a clear and visual representation of the prioritization of the elements across the entire asset. This can be worked on and filtered down further in the project scheduling and forecasting area of the system. So for example, if you're trying to put together a work scope where you want to carry out maintenance every 2 years for the next 10 years, you can produce reports which will include all of the elements that would be included in each of those 2-year slots. Therefore, identify the need for a simple, flexible and effective system to manage fabric maintenance that can also be adapted for client requirements. Somewhere that brings fabric maintenance and installation information together in one place, accessible over the internet. CONDi also includes the tracking of maintenance, inspection reports, photos and drawings, all brought together in one location. Traditionally, companies like to use spreadsheets for managing this type of data and any kind of maintenance tracking. This is because spreadsheets are easy to use. You can filter, sort, store formulas and have a good understanding of how the data has arrived where it has. This gives project managers comfortability when they're delivering their reports to their own management. CONDi was designed with transparency in mind. So it provides the lists of information in a similar way that you have with your spreadsheets. You can filter, sort, prioritize, but what you're gaining with CONDi is the consistency and integrity that you're losing with the spreadsheet. For example, when CONDi gives you an estimate for a time requirement on a project, not only does it give you the answer, but it shows you all the components that make up the calculation. CONDi is easy to use and doesn't require complicated training, therefore saving you man hours. Cloud storage offers you security and accountability, and CONDi includes a full audit log so that you can trace who changed what and when. Because CONDi is a web application, there are no software installation requirements, and it is accessible from any device in any location. Therefore, has over 15 years of experience working on engineering systems, which includes working with clients in the corrosion industry, particularly in the oil and gas sector. We saw that similar systems are often overly complicated and confuse users, often with complicated algorithms like a magic box. We wanted to produce something that was flexible and transparent and easy to use, but still effective in scheduling and data management. We have a strong team of developers who are experienced in developing excellent web applications and a good client base in the fabric maintenance industry who have helped us in the design of this system. The result is an application that puts the data management control back in the hands of the customers. It doesn't dictate how they should work, instead it works with their real-life practices. For more information on how CONDi can help you with your projects and help save time and money, please contact us at dev4.online.